Next is saying enter couple center to front foot. You will give the information what to be done. So bring the cursor here, click on this. So he's saying from this coupling center to the front foot. This is the front foot and this is the back foot. From the center of the coupling, here is the mark. Correct? From this to this one, you have to measure this. How much it is? The mark is, this is the center of the coupling, correct? Center of the coupling has been marked here. This is the front foot center. Front foot center means the bolt, no? This center. The center of the bolt. So you have to measure this. Measure it. From this to this. Measure it. Then next, this center with this center. 140.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah. Next is saying dimension complete. Press enter to proceed. Okay. Next is saying enter sensor to prism distance. That means here this distance you want from the center of this to this. Here you have to measure it. This is your center. From this to this one. Measure it.
انتهى 11 تقريبا 11
110.
Oh, this is 110.
Okay. The next is saying center of this to the center of this. 170.
This is by millimeter.
The millimeter. It's showing the millimeter. Next is saying press enter to proceed. Now it is connecting. Now it's connected. See here, now he's saying laser is off. That means this reflector and this, the position is not exactly in the center. You have to adjust little bit. How to adjust? Make there, he will show one center dot. Somewhere else, maybe here, 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 here. Just go on rotating little bit up and down.
What is the dot?
That is what is not showing. That's why it's showing off. Do the adjustment from here.
Outside the.
Yes. Now it came.
Yes.
Okay. Now the dot came here.
So you have to
The
put it
center.
on
Now
the-
you have to bring this dot to the center of this circle. From he will show you. See what he's saying. He's saying the arrow mark. You rotate this also. You rotate this also. Both. Right. So slowly, what you do? If I rotate this, what will happen? See it. Yeah, I am bringing this to the center line. Okay. But don't keep your finger to this. The sensor will go off. Okay. Just keep it a little bit away from it and do it. Okay. I brought it line. Now I'll bring it down. Bring it down. Don't go. Keep your finger from here. Do it from there. Slowly. Down, down, down.
Down.
Keep your finger away from that one. Huh? You can keep your hand like this.
هدي
Row.
Row.
ما تغير ولا شيء
Row.
بس
فوق. بدي. شوية.
مالك بس
Leave. Okay. Now exactly it is centered. Now he's saying adjust the red dot in the center of the circle. We adjust it. After that it says press enter to start.
Now the process is done.
Now he is saying, turn the shaft until the circle indicates green color. Okay? Now I have to turn the shaft. Now, hold the shaft from the back side here. Huh? Don't bring it here in front of this. Just hold it and rotate. Either this side or that side. No problem. Until it becomes green color. Yeah, now green color came. Stop. Next is saying press enter. Yes. Now you got this one. This is vertical and this is horizontal. Vertical misalignment, horizontal misalignment. See here the difference. That means here you can see both are above 0, 0 line. And this leg is little bit up, this is more up. And here in the horizontal, both are away little bit that side. Right? So you have to push it. Now we are going to do only horizontal, not vertical. Vertical means I am not going to lift up and down. Just I am going to push like this, bring it like this. Horizontal I am going to do. Now he is saying what? Read it. Vertical front foot, he is giving all the result. Remove shim, remove forward. Press enter to start horizontal. He is giving the result. I will do only horizontal, not vertical. So press enter to horizontal. Now see what is saying. In the horizontal, the circle will change its color if move position is reached. That means I will rotate the shaft again. When the circle color will be changed, stop it. Okay? Yeah. Change. Stop. Press enter to proceed. Laser is off. Something is off. Move position not correct. Cancel move procedure and we should press escape.
You need to do it from the start.
Just a little bit what? No. There is a loose. So take measurements complete. Press enter to view the results. Okay, press enter for horizontal. The circle laser is okay. So this is loose now. It is going little bit up and down. So disturbance is there. Move position reached. He's saying the move position is reached. Press enter to proceed. Now see.
Now it's working.
Now it is horizontal. Now he's saying the arrow mark. You have to bring that 2 points, front and back foot up. Up means is horizontal. Up I cannot do. I have to push it a little bit like this. Slowly you have to do it. Give that rod. Rod.
وهيرفع ولا يدفه؟
لا لا حيدفع.
Okay, detail. How I know? For go and for back. For front or back?
It's showing no? This two. This is front and this is back. It's showing the arrow mark. You move it. Move it that side.
Which is the top? The right or the left side?
Now here is the left and right. This is, if you take this as a right and this is left, move towards right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So who will choose the left side?
No. As you change it, it will be doing.
Okay.
Disturb that.
عرفنا انه الحين هذا وبعدين خلاص وبعدين رجع يسوي له ادجستمنت صور مين قال
يا حبيبي انت في الحديد اللي بين
Now see how it is showing here. Just take this one.
زي البلاطه كده.
Hit from that side slowly.
ايوه
This part you have to hit.
مش عايز تبيع.
عشان كده بس
هو في
Okay.
انت مره
Yeah, just
زودتها.
here you have to hit it. Come on, hit it slowly.
اديها
Please don't keep the hand. 1 minute, 1 minute.
دقيقه. هيروح روح.
Hit it slowly.
المطبخ فوق. الله التجربه دي امتحان. اشوف لسعت فوق. الله
Just
شكرا.
hit slowly in the center. You hit. Hit in the center. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Here. Enough. Just give. Okay, Shabab, see here. Up to 0.01 and 0.01 is okay. See here, my reading here in this 0.00, 0.01 is okay. You can stop up to there.
This limit is there.
Yeah, up to 0.01. That's all. Little bit is left. If I disturb again, that will go up and down. Up to this one, machine to be moved. Here, this side and this side is saying 0.00 and just 0.01. No problem. So what you have to do? Bring your lab report or manual. So what you have to do? You have to draw it. 0, 0. So you got the readings.
minus 0.01.
And you have to write it, show it here like this. Machine to be moved. Minus 0.01, 0.01.
That's it?
That's it. You have to show this reading.
No calculation.
No calculation. Finish explaining.